Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure AWS Cognito hosted UI for consistent design. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your AWS Management Console. In the search bar, type Cognito and select Cognito. Click on Manage User Pools. Choose the user pool you want to customize. Navigate to the App Integrations section in the left-hand menu. Select Domain Name. Enter a unique domain prefix for your hosted UI. Click on Save Changes to create your domain. Now, return to the App Integrations section. Click on User Interface Customization. You will see options for customizing the sign-in and sign-up pages. Select the Sign-in Experience option first. Here, you can upload your logo under Logo. Adjust the background color and primary color to match your branding. Scroll down to the text color and change it if needed. Next, customize your sign-up experience. Upload a logo if desired. Adjust the same color settings for consistency. After customizing the sign-up page, scroll to the bottom. Click on Save Changes to apply your settings. Return to the User Interface Customization page. Test your hosted UI by clicking on the link provided. Open the link in a new browser tab. Verify that your design changes are displaying as expected. If any adjustments are needed, revisit the UI customization section. Continue refining until you achieve the desired look. After fine-tuning designs, ensure all branding adheres to your company's standards. Document any changes made for future reference. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.